Good day everyone, I'm Morgan Machinso. I'm going to present my thesis entitled Larval Development Nuwas Giant Clam, Tridacnanui in Puerto Princesa City, Philippines. Introduction. Tridacnanui is also known Nuwas Giant Clam between 6 to 20 cm shell length, have 5 to 7 radial ribs. Mantle color includes brown, yellow, blue, and green. Roots distribution in the Indo-Pacific. Lives in shallow water about 20 meters deep and is often found on the edge and crease of coral reefs attached by byssal threads. Various studies have been conducted about the other giant clams species, but not much on Tridacna nui. No study have been published yet on the larval development of Tridacna nui, specifically in Palawan. My objectives are to document the larval development stage of Tridacna nui. Number two, to determine the length measurement of different larval development stages of Tridacna nui. My study site. This study was conducted in Palawan area, specifically at the facility of Eastern Philippines University, Bindoyan Marine Research Station, Barangay Bindoyan, Puerto Princesa City. Larval rearing. Fertilized eggs were stuck in cylindrical glass filled with 1 micrometer filtered UV treated seawater. Water has been replaced every other day. Tetrasilmis P and Isochrysis galvana were fed starting day 3. Data gathering analysis. Photo using microscope and Android camera pool, examined and counted using a microscope drawn from the cylindrical glass using a glass pipette. 1 ml sample were drawn and placed in an agar sample plate mounted using Sideswick craft. Third, larval development percentage was computed using a tally count. Larval length was determined using ImageG software. Result in discussion. The larval development of Tridacna nui has been successfully documented for all larval states except for Pedibelliger, and Pedibelliger was not present at 120 hours post-fertilization, which is the end of duration of this study. Kung napapansin niyo po yung letter po, fertilized egg, ang B naman, to cell embryo, ang CI for cell embryo, ang D, it's cell embryo, ang E, 16 cell embryo. Ang F naman ay 32 cell embryo. Ang G ay gastrula. Ang H naman ay tropopore. Ang ID Belliger. Ang J ay Cetal Belliger. And the last ay T, Belliger and Pedibelliger transition. Larval development of Tridacna nui in different hours. Ito naman po yung graph ko. First 2 hours ang maraming na-develop ay Purcell, which is 54%. And second, TOEFL, 40%. And yung pinakamababa naman po ay Excel, which is 6%. After 24 hours, maraming na-develop naman po ay GRAS 2 lang, which is 78%. Ang second ay 16 cell, which is 6%. Ang unti naman na-develop ay 32 cell, which is 5%. And after 48 hours, yung marami naman pong na-develop ay Devillager, which is 93%. Ang pinakakunti naman na-develop ay Tropicors, which is 7%. After 72 hours, maraming na-develop naman po ay Settled Villager, which is 38%. Same lang po yung dalawa, Devillager and Villager transition, which is same lang po sila. Yung na-develop po sa kanila ay 31%. After 96 hours, yung halos lahat ng na-develop po, Settled Villager, which is 100%. Ano na po siya? Kung sa 96 hours, maraming na-develop ay yun nga, 100% Settled Villager na po siya. Pagdating niya ng 96 hours, settled na siya. And after 120 hours, yung marami naman na-develop ay settled pa rin po, which is 57%. And sumunod ay Villager transition, which is 43%. Ito naman po yung length measurement of larval states of Tridacnanui. Number 1, fertilize egg, 99.19 plus minus 2.70 sa study po. Tapos kay Southgate naman po, 99.02 plus minus 0.34. Kay Sir Al naman po ay 99.0 plus minus 8.1. Ang Rastula naman po, sa sukat ko naman po ay 111.81 plus minus 10.47. Kaya sa study naman po ni Southgate, 114.20 plus minus 1.06. Tapos kay Soit Al naman po, hindi po siya available. Sa Procopors naman po, sa study ko, sa sukat ko po ay 110.42 plus minus 3.9. Kay Southgate naman po, 113.00 plus minus 1.39. Kay Sweet Al naman po, 147.8 plus minus 5.7. Sa Devillager naman po, sa sukat ko ay 141.43 plus minus 6.05. Kay Southgate Al naman po, 146.32 plus minus 0.58. Kay Soit Al naman po, 181.5 plus minus 6.7. Medyo mataas po yung, medyo malaki yung sukat ni Soit Al kumpara doon sa aming dalawa ni Southgate Al. Halos hindi magkakala yung sukat namin sa Devillager. Sa Settled Villager naman po, sa sukat ko naman po, 161.75 plus minus 3.79. Kay Southgate naman po, 165.02 plus minus 2.54. Kay Soit Al naman po, hindi po siya available. Sa Devillager transition, Sa sukat ko naman po, walang grade. 69.48 plus minus 7.54 sa kay Southgate, tapos kay Southgate et al. At so et al. Hindi po sila available. May conclusion. The Tosil study to the Billiger transition stage was successfully documented and demonstrated. 2 hours up to 4 hours post-fertilization, the development of larvae growth past length measurement have similarities to other study. My recommendation provides important information for future monitoring of the larval development of Tridacna louis, further study to assist and determine and growth and survival rates of Tridacna louis larvae, as well as focusing on factors influencing their growth rates are highly recommended. Thank you.